Hi everyone, and welcome back to Faith and Flower. If you're new, my name is Robin. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some cleaning in our master bedroom, and I'm going to show you a neat trick that I just learned for how to change a duvet cover. This week, when cleaning our master bedroom, I wanted to focus on refreshing our bed. And before we get into the rest of the cleaning video, I just wanted to tell you about this great new company that contacted me asking me to try out their bedding. They're called Bedscape. Bedscape is an American brand that was just launched, and all of their bedding is free of chemicals and GMOs, which I love. They are designed in New York and manufactured in one of the oldest Israeli textile factories using only 100% long staple cotton. They offer sheet sets and duvet covers in either percale, which is a 300 thread count, or a sateen, which is 350, and that is what I chose for our duvet. The colors and fabrics are timeless and classic, and because they are sold directly to you, the prices are really affordable and they offer free shipping and returns to all US orders. I couldn't be happier with the color or the quality of this duvet cover. I've been in the market for quite some time and I'm really glad that I found Bedscape. Later in today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest method for changing out a duvet cover. You are not going to want to miss it. Before putting the new duvet cover on our existing comforter, I just wanted to wash that. And now that I'm going to be using this cover, I will have to do this a lot less because it's going to be very well protected. I really like using wool dryer balls, and they are really great for something like this comforter because it speeds up the drying time and keeps your comforter nice and fluffy. I'm also going to wash our new duvet cover and the rest of our bedding. While those things are washing, I'm going to go back in our bedroom and remove all of the rest of our bedding, our blanket, our sheets, pillowcases, and even the mattress cover. I want to give everything a wash so that we can start completely fresh. Next, I'm going to put on my Norwex dust mitts and do all of the dusting. Then I need to clean the floors. Austin really brings in a lot of dirt, dust, and he's starting to shed now that we're approaching spring. And so as you can see, there's kind of like a ring of dust and fur and dirt that accumulates around his bed. And so I'm going to vacuum all of that up, and then I'm going to do some mopping. Before I mop the floors, I wanted to clean this window on our door. There are a lot of little puppy nose marks on it, and I'm using my e-cloth, microfiber cloth, and it's doing a great job, but Austin is getting it dirty just as I'm trying to clean it, so it's kind of futile, but at least I tried. To mop the floors, I'm using my e-cloth mop pad, and I'm also using some of the Grove Collaborative floor cleaning concentrate. I mopped all of the hardwood floors in our bedroom, and I love this combination. They're not sticky, they're very clean and shiny afterwards, and it removes a lot of the smears from Austin walking around and even licking the floor. Getting Austin's crate back in place, I just wanted to run the vacuum on the floor of that as well, just to pick up any fur and dust that accumulated in there. And then I can switch to my rug attachment on my vacuum and finish off the carpet. Back in the laundry room, our comforter is dry, so I'm going to set that aside, move the duvet cover to the dryer, and then I'm going to wash all of the rest of our bedding. I have said this on my channel before, but I absolutely love clean sheet night. I sleep so much better with clean sheets, and I look forward to it each week. If you guys get what I'm talking about and you like clean sheet night too, then make sure to write yay in the comment section below to let me know how much you love it too. Another thing I love to do, especially when cleaning our room, is to diffuse some essential oils. And I've been using a combination of lemon essential oil, some eucalyptus oil, and peppermint oil. And I'm enjoying this combination. It really feels like it cleans our air and freshens up our whole room. Now that the duvet cover and duvet are dry, I'm going to show you a little trick I just learned, which I am loving, for switching out the duvet cover. It is so easy, and I think you're going to like it too. You start by laying your duvet cover flat on your bed, inside out, with the opening at the bottom of the bed. Then lay the duvet over top of the cover, lining up all of the corners. I love that the bedscape duvet has ties sewn in at each corner. Most duvets have a little loop in the corner that you can use these ties to secure each corner so that your duvet does not shift around. So the next step is just to secure each corner with the ties to keep the duvet in place. starting at the top of the bed, just roll the comforter and the comforter cover together all the way down towards the end. Then on each end, you want to look for the opening of the duvet cover and flip it around right side out over your roll. Then you just unroll it up towards the top of your bed, smooth it out, and that's it. The ties really help to keep the corners in place, and it is all smooth on the inside, and all I have to do is button up the bottom, and that's it. There's no struggling or stuffing inside or any of the things that make using a duvet cover really difficult. My husband's family lives in Europe, and whenever we go to visit, we really enjoy sleeping with duvets like this, which is the typical European style. And so instead of using a fitted and a flat sheet, I will eliminate the flat sheet and just use the duvet with the cover on it. And when it's time to launder our sheets at the end of the week, I'll just take the cover off and wash it along with the fitted sheet. And it is so cozy. We are really enjoying this. And if you guys haven't tried this duvet trick, you have to try it. Now that the rest of our bedding has been washed, I'm just going to replace the mattress cover and the bottom sheet. Then the duvet cover goes right over top. And another thing that I love about sleeping under a duvet is it's not tucked in at the bottom, so it's much more comfortable on your feet. And because you only have one cover when you use a duvet, making the bed is a breeze. We used to sleep with this blanket between our flat sheet and our comforter, but now I'm going to put it at the foot of our bed, and if we need it at night, we can pull it up. I'm really looking forward to bedtime tonight so I can enjoy our newly cleaned and refreshed bedroom. Don't forget to check out Bedscape and make sure you use my link in the description box and the coupon code to receive your 30% discount. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It's completely free, and if you activate the notification bell, you'll be sure to be notified each time I upload a new video and you won't miss anything. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video.